Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about art and photography, a topic that develops your ability to describe, analyze, and discuss visual work in English. Whether you're visiting a gallery, looking at a photograph, or discussing a piece of art, the right vocabulary helps you express your response with depth and precision. Let's start with composition, the arrangement of elements within an image. In photography, the rule of thirds is a useful guiding principle. Imagine dividing your frame into a 3x3 grid. Placing your subject along those lines, rather than in the dead center, creates a more dynamic, visually interesting image. You might say, the photographer has placed the horizon on the lower third, which really emphasizes the dramatic sky. In painting, composition works similarly. You might say, the eye is led from the bottom left to the top right. The diagonal line of the path creates that movement. Or, the focal point, the single figure in the red coat, is surrounded by muted tones, which makes it stand out powerfully. Light is central to both art and photography. The golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, produces warm, soft, directional light that photographers treasure. You might say, the light at golden hour is unlike anything else. It transforms ordinary scenes into something magical. Contrast, the difference between light and dark, creates drama and depth. A high-contrast image feels intense and powerful. A low-contrast image feels soft and gentle. When describing a painting style, you might say, the brushwork is loose and gestural, very impressionistic. Or, the detail is incredibly precise, almost photographic in its realism. Abstract art invites interpretation. You might say, I'm drawn to the energy in this piece. The bold strokes and warm palette feel almost angry. Or, for me, it evokes a sense of movement, like wind through trees. Today we covered composition, light, contrast, focal points, and how to express opinions about art. See you next time.